All right, so now we are going to check and see if Pear Deck is actually okay for us to use. So I'm going to click on, in my Chrome browser, clicking on FCPS bookmarks. Then I'm going to click on Digital Ecosystem Core Tools. And over here on the right, you'll see our Digital Ecosystem Library. So I'm going to click on that. And it takes a minute. Once it shows up, I can type in my search. I'm going to look for Pear Deck, and I see that it is green approved. That means anybody can use it. And if I click on details, I can see that parental consent is not required. We have a confidentiality agreement in place, and we have a FERPA school official exemption. All right, so this one is good to use. But the thing that you're looking at right now is actually through another thing called EdPuzzle. So let's take a look. What is the status of EdPuzzle? It says conditions. That's almost always going to mean parent approval. But let's take a look. We'll click on details. And if I scroll down, it says parental consent is required for students under 13. So the good thing is, you've got parent approval, right? You sent home those technology permission letters at the beginning of the year and you kept track of them. You got everybody's back. If you didn't, there's a workaround for EdPuzzle. We can use it without student accounts. Let me show you how that works.